The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. And if you guys like daily SPY updates, make sure to join my membership. There's a lot of space in there, guys, and anyone is welcome. So let's take a look at the SPY. Looks like we just rallied off the new 52-week lows that we just created last week, and we've been seeing a nice move up. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I was pretty much bullish because I was still expecting price to come back to this opposite side of the channel. But then when Thursday came around, it looked kind of bearish because we're getting rejected from the EMA. It looks like we wanted to drop down, maybe retest that 357 level before continuing higher. But it looks like Friday was a nice close up, and I believe I'm much more confident now that we're going to be reaching these higher price targets that I have in mind. So let's go and make this channel orange, and I have this range pattern that prices could be inside of, and let's go and make this green. So you can see this bottom of this large green candle is outside of it, but on the ES, the futures market for the S&P, this green candle is actually inside of this green range. So you can just ignore that little piece right there. But basically, we're kind of just going sideways since last month, actually, September 23rd. And now we're pretty much back at the same point. So just sideways in this downtrend. You can see that we are approaching two resistance zones, basically the channel and the top of this range. So we could see some rejection there, but I'm looking for a breakout to the top side because of this channel right here. Looks like we need a new high of this little slim channel working higher, and you can see that we made a nice move up, and then we made a two-legged correction. We pulled back, then we went up, and we pulled back again. Now we went up. So that's a two-legged correction marking the center of the pattern. If we do get a second leg up, I'm looking for that 390 level. So that's where the previous breakout point is. Market likes to test breakouts at least 90% of the time. You'll see, unless the breakout is really strong, we won't test it. But most of the time, you can see market test breakouts. There's a breakout back over here. Looks like there's a little tiny gap that could still be filled. So I think we're going to probably see a breakout to the top side, and we might just ignore the resistance at the range and channel. So I'm looking for continuation to the upside. Let me go and zoom out a little bit more. This is the overall pattern that I like to draw for the SPY. Looks like prices are respecting this channel right here, and make it yellow. So since we rallied off the low side, I'm looking for a price to come back to the upside. Could be a very bullish rest of October and November. We'll have to wait and see. You can see that every time prices were at the bottom side of this channel, we saw a nice rally up. So we're back at the same point on the channel, looking for that rally up. Now, if this downtrend channel, this orange one, is stronger, then we're probably going to see rejection at that 378, 380 level, and then to the continuation to the downside. But I'm looking for that second leg up, looking for that 390 level. I think this market is not that bearish. It is going down, but it's very choppy and wide. So we're going to see big swings up and big swings down. So I think with that being said, we're going to probably see a breakout to the upside. We're going to see that 380 level, reach that 390 level. If we don't find any resistance there, I think we can see a rally up to maybe the $400 level once again. So that's my prediction. Definitely don't know the future, but we just got to go with probabilities. We just take all the inputs and create some type of output. Basically, you just combine, or you just look at the bearish and bullish sides, and you see which one is stronger, and that's the way I'm leaning. So it looks like I think the bulls got the bears here right now. The timing for the bears are wrong. I think we're in the pullback phase, and we're going to see higher prices, but the bears will probably still win out in the long term for right now. So that's everything I have for the daily chart. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for the SPY. And this candle right here, the most recent one, was kind of looking bearish, or actually neutral, for the most of the week until Friday came around. Now it closed pretty strong. So this looks pretty good. You can't do your analysis just based on one candle, but if you combine it with other things, basically we're far away from the EMA. We are just at new 52-week low, so we should be seeing a pullback, and it looks like shorts are trapped right above this wick. I believe there's gonna be some stop losses hit, and that could also add fuel to the fire and see prices reach that 390 level. So I'm looking for continuation to the upside for next week. I'm going to zoom out on the chart. Looks like we just bounced from that 350 level. I was looking for that target months ago, finally hit it, looking for getting that bounce up because we're far away from the EMA, and buyers are definitely looking at this price level. I'm going to zoom out a little bit more, but I doubt that's probably going to be the bottom, because if I do another long-term channel, you can see that prices are usually coming back to this trend line right over here. If I drag it up, it becomes a channel. So basically prices do like to come back to this trend line numerous times, even in 2020. So if we had the top in 2022, looking for price to come back over here. So basically we're about 60% the way there. So that's why I don't think this downtrend is over. I think they're going to come back to 2020 price levels. Looking for low 2020 price levels. I'm looking for this opposite side of the channel to be reached, because this downtrend channel does look like it's in play. So basically I'm not going to be looking for a bottom until this area of the chart is reached. So that's all I have for the SPY. We'll have to wait and see what prices do around this level, even if we do get there. But I'll give you guys an update every week, so tune in for SPY Sundays. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.